Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In one of my videos, we discussed about India's interest to acquire additional mid-air refueler, and the contenders shortlisted were the Airbus A330 multi-role tanker transport, the Ilyushin IL-78, the Boeing KC-46 Pegasus. You can find the link to that particular video in the above I button in the top right corner or in the details section of this particular video. According to the recent update from defense sources, it looks like Indian Air Force is seriously considering to acquire 6 Airbus A330 multi-role transport tanker aircraft on a government-to-government basis for expanding the Indian Air Force strike capability through latest mid-air refuelers. As of now, Indian Air Force operates almost 6 to 7 IL-78 refueling aircrafts. The IL-78s, which refuel at the rate of 500 to 600 liters a minute, can ferry up to 118 tons of fuel and can simultaneously fill 3 airborne fighter aircrafts, allowing the fighters to carry more payload and penetrate deep into the enemy territories. According to a former Indian Air Force chief, the Airbus 330 MRTT seems to be a best option, and there are many reasons behind it. The Airbus A330 multi-role tanker transport is an aerial refueling tanker aircraft which is based on the civilian Airbus A330. It is designed as a dual-role air-to-air refueling and a transport aircraft. The A330 MRTT has a maximum fuel capacity of 111,000 kg without the use of additional fuel tanks, which leaves space for the carriage of 45,000 kg of additional cargo. If we quickly see about the other two contenders, the Ilyushin IL-78 is a Soviet 4-engined aerial refueling tanker which is based on the IL-76 strategic airlifter. The IL-78 transfers fuel solely through a deployment of the probe and drogue refueling method. The Boeing KC-46 Pegasus is a military aerial refueling and strategic military transport aircraft which is developed by Boeing from its 767 jet airliner. At the rear of the aircraft is a fly-by-wire refueling boom which is supplemented by wing air refueling pods at each wingtip and a centerline drogue system under the rear fuselage. The Airbus A330 MRTT had a higher cost than the IL-78. It was a newer design having a lower operating costs on account of the two engines. Moreover, the A330 MRTT boasts the capacity to carry fuel weighing up to 111 tons, which is higher than the IL-78's load. An added advantage of Airbus A330 MRTT is the fact that it is certified to use 2 refueling systems. One refueling system is the hose and drogue system, in which a refueler transfers fuel to a probe extending from the receiving aircraft. The other system, commonly found on US origin aircraft, is the flying boom, in which a refueler transfers fuel to a receptacle on the receiving aircraft's fuselage. In May 2009, Indian Air Force again shortlisted the A330 MRTT as its preferred supplier and began the negotiations. The contract was expected to be worth of at least $1 billion. However, by January 2010, the government had cancelled the tender over cost concerns. In January 2013, the Indian Air Force selected the A330 MRTT again, and this time the price of the contract had risen to around $1.5 billion. However, like the previous tender, the government had doubts about the price and the contract was again cancelled in July 2016. Another best part about the Airbus aircraft is that it can be turned into a purely a tanker or a transport or an air ambulance, or all the three at the same time with a total crew member of 3. Even according to me, the Airbus aircraft has a high power engines to operate from high altitude air bases in Ladakh and at the same time transport troops or conduct medical evacuation if required. I'm sure Indian Air Force should go for Airbus A330 MRTT without any doubt, as this is a very vital requirement at the moment to extend the combat range of other fighters like Sukhoi Su-30 MKI and Rafale fighters. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.